Conflict is an inevitable part of human life and occurs in both cooperative and competitive relationships. Within a team, conflict is most likely to surface during the forming and storming stages. While often viewed negatively, conflict is a sign of change and movement. It should not be eliminated, but refocused as a productive rather than destructive force. The evolution of conflict typically follows 5 stages: anticipation, conscious but unexpressed difference, discussion, open dispute, and open conflict. To transform these moments into problem-solving events, team leaders must practice active listening. This involves accepting what an individual is saying without necessarily agreeing, and offering an understanding of both the content and the feelings expressed to build rapport and trust. A common tool for managing these dynamics is the Thomas Gilman Conflict Mode instrument. This model assesses behavior based on assertiveness and cooperativeness, defining 3 primary methods for dealing with differences: avoiding accommodating, competing collaborating, and compromising. However, teams must be wary of a quieter, more insidious barrier: groupthink. Groupthink occurs when members coalesce around a decision that hasn't been fully explored because they are more concerned with maintaining friendly relations than engaging in controversial discussion. To forestall this, teams should brainstorm alternatives before selecting an approach, encourage members to express concerns, and even appoint an objector to challenge proposed actions. Beyond interpersonal dynamics, logistics can act as a significant barrier. Breakdowns in planning, such as poor communication between buildings, lack of agendas, or failing to coordinate meeting technology, can negatively impact a team's momentum. The sources provide a cautionary tale of a manufacturing exhibit that was beautifully designed but failed because the shipping was mismanaged, highlighting the need for risk assessments and contingency plans. Other barriers include hidden agendas, where a member's self-gain or political motivation conflicts with the team's mission, and disruptive behavior. Whether a member is seeking personal attention or attempting to destroy the team environment, the leader must address these issues privately and promptly to refocus the individual on positive behavior change. Finally, a lack of training in both soft, interpersonal skills and technical quality tools often impedes progress. Successful teams recognize that it pays to spend the time and effort to train members for their specific roles, often utilizing just-in-time training immediately before a skill is needed. By recognizing these perils, from groupthink to logistical failures, and approaching conflict as an opportunity to learn, a team can turn potential barriers into enablers for growth and excellence. Practical tips for leaders: model active listening. Use the Thomas Gilman modes deliberately, plan for logistics, appoint a challenger when needed, and invest in targeted training.